Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Smart Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic mensuration. In the previous video, we solved a question on finding the area of composite shapes. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: the diagram below represents a field with a circular pond of 14 meters. Find, correct to two decimal places, A, the distance around the field, B, area of the field excluding the pond. So we have this as a field and we have a pond in the middle of the field. The first part of the question says that we should find the distance around the field, that is the perimeter of the field. And the second part says that we should find the area of the field. We will solve the first part in this video, then we will solve the second part in the next video. So let's consider the perimeter of the field or the distance around the field. From this diagram here, we can see that the distance around the field is equal to the length PQ plus the length SR plus circumference of PTS. So PTS is half of a circle, that is a semicircle. So circumference of this semicircle PTS plus circumference of this semicircle PUR. So if you add PQ to PS to the circumference of PTS and circumference of QUR, you get the distance around the field. We can see that PQ is 112 meters and SR is also 112 meters. So all we need to find is the circumference of PTS, then the circumference of QUR. From this diagram here, we can see that QR is 56 meters. In the same way, PS is also 56 meters. QR is the diameter of the semicircle QUR. So the radius will be half of 56 meters. We know that a semicircle is half of a circle. So if the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, then circumference of a semicircle is half times 2 pi r. Remember, we are interested in finding the circumference of QUR, which is a semicircle. So you say that circumference of PTS is equal to half times 2 times pi times the radius of PTS, which is 56 meters divided by 2, because PS is the diameter. So the radius is half of it, that is 56 meters divided by 2, since PS is 56 meters. So the circumference of PTS is equal to half times 2 times pi times 56 meters divided by 2. And this will give us 87.96 meters. The question said we should leave our answers in two decimal places. The circumference of QUR will also be the same thing. So half times 2 times pi times 56 meters divided by 2. And that will also give us 87.96 meters. So the circumference of PTS is 87.96 meters. And the circumference of QUR is also 87.96 meters. Now, we can say that the distance around the field is equal to PQ plus SR plus circumference of PTS plus circumference of QUR. And this will give us 112 meters plus 112 meters plus 87.96 meters plus 87.96 meters. You add everything here and you are going to get 399.92 meters. So the distance around the field or the perimeter of the field is 399.92 meters. The question said that we should find the area of the field excluding the point. We are going to do that in the next video. So see you in the next video and let's continue solving this question.